My name is Chitima from Thailand. I started knowing Pilates because I had my back surgery and the doctor recommended me to teach Pilates. Patricia, she has more experience, 30 years experience in Pilates. Also, she's second generation of Pilates. Her curriculum is authentic and I really interested. Before I decided to come here, I compare with like 4-5 places. I like the energies. Of course, teaching in English is quite important. She speaks English, she teaches in English, everything in English. She's amazing. She teaches us from the beginning, very good foundation, confidence, yeah, a lot of things. Everything goes straight forward. I did not have time to look at my phone, always focusing with the course, with the exercise. I love assistant Sabrina. She's amazing. She's very sweet.